Hi guys, welcome to Rinky's Angelican. So yes, I am back with the monthly forecast for you guys. I will be doing the typical thing that we always do. 3 tarot cards and 1 angel message, particularly for every zodiac. Also, I would like to tell you that I have done one more video this month, which is specially for the Valentine's Day and the Valentine's month. That tells you a angel love message for particular zodiac. It basically tells you what angels want you to inculcate into your relationship that will bloom your relationship even more. So yes, go ahead and check that out. I will be leaving the link for that in the description box below for you guys. So yes, that's about it. Do let me know what all videos do you want to me to do, and also I am coming up with lots and lots of informative videos for you, like you guys, as you all like that much. So yes, without further ado, let's get started. We start for Cancer. I am pulling out 3 cards from my tarot deck plus an angel message. So 3 tarot cards and an angel message. Let's see what's in store for you for February 2017. Okay. The first card that I have for you is a card of swords. Basically, this card is telling you that you are holding on to something really badly. Life is moving very gradually and slowly. Somewhere you feel like things aren't the same like it was in the past. Nothing is constant in this world. Everything will change in every second. So it's like that. You still want to hold on to that thing, that no, why is it not with me anymore? So let that go. Let your life move. Have faith, everything will turn out good for you. It's about faith, plus it's about the positivity that you should have from within, that you need to move ahead in life. Just days passing by and you're not willingly contributing to it, that's where you're going wrong. Don't do that. Willingly contribute to every day. Have your open mind. you know just involve into some activities where you feel good about. So this is a time where you're not really feeling good. This could be the reason, could be there are some misunderstandings, some sort of problems which were really a small misunderstanding, but which eventually turned out to be a big problem for you in life, which could be with a very close person in your life. So just let that be. What's over is over. If the person isn't really able to understand you, it's fine. You don't need to explain your side again and again. It's over. Just let it go. Just let it, calm yourself down. Make yourself realize that life is very beautiful and you will get something. You will, overcome it. It's not like the end of your life. Again, this card typically says that, see, if you see this card very clearly, it says there are some things left behind in your life which you are feeling bad about, but life has in store for you even similar things in your life in the future. Let that come. Open your eyes and see that it's just there near you. You are not willing to see. It could be a person who's gone from your life right now, but other person who wants to enter into your life right now. You are not really able to accept that new person into your life. Don't do that. Let the other person come into your life and see that person will bring so much happiness in your life. Now the angel message. The cards totally connect to the angel card, which says letting go. This is the time where you just have to let go, release all the negative energies towards a particular person or a particular thing in your life, and just let go the negative feelings. Once you let go that, only then the positivity will enter your heart and soul. So yeah, this is all about for the month of February for you guys. Stay tuned, stay connected for my upcoming videos. Thank you.